Hey, it's Jess from Bodify. One of my favorite questions that we get during consultations is, why can't I just slap an ice pack on my stomach or my love handles or my chin and see that stubborn fat get frozen away? Well, first and foremost, it's a very controlled cooling. You actually have to get the fat cells to a certain temperature for a certain amount of time, otherwise you don't set up that cell death, and that's nearly impossible to achieve while manually putting an ice pack on yourself. Secondly, we use a pre-treatment wipe that actually allows the cold to penetrate those cells, but in addition protects the skin so you don't get frostbite. So I know it seems really easy to go out there and buy that ice pack or buy one of those things on Amazon and slap it right on, but I'm telling you, if you want to permanently get rid of those fat cells, freeze them away, and you've been busting your butt and you can't get the results that you want, CoolSculpting is the only choice to remove that diet and exercise resistant fat. We'd love to have you in for a complimentary consult. We'll take a look at the areas that frustrate you, map out a plan, show you Bodify client before and afters, of course.